Welcome to the CSS Steel Buildings 3D Designer. Getting started is easy. Just search CSS Steel Buildings or head straight to our website directly, then click Design Your Building, and there you go. You're in. Let's walk through everything together. First things first, let's kick off with roof style. And this is where you set the overall shape and character of your structure. Gable is the classic go-to, simple, efficient, and works for just about any application. Western adds a raised center section with a distinctive barn-inspired profile that's great for ventilation and natural light. Single slope gives you a clean, modern look that's popular for lean-to style and commercial applications. And gambrel, if you need that extra headroom and a more architectural feel, this one's for you. Next, choose your roof panel profile. PBR is the PEMB standard workhorse, a trapezoidal exposed fastener panel designed for steep drainage and structural strength. PBU uses the same system, but with a symmetrical profile, trading a bit of rib height for a cleaner, more uniform look across roofs and walls. For a premium finish, standing seam hides the fasteners entirely, offering the cleanest aesthetic, superior weather resistance, and a high-end architectural feel. Now it comes to roof pitch. The right slope really comes down to your location, local rainfall and snow loads, code requirements, and how the building will be used. If you're not sure where to start, don't worry, our team is happy to recommend a practical, engineered solution based on your specific span, loads, and application. With your building style and roof all set, let's move on to building dimensions. Use the drop-down menus to select your width, length, and eave height. These three values define the basic footprint and profile of your structure. Now, just a quick note on eave height. That's measured from the bottom of the base plate all the way up to the top of the eave strut. After that, your building dimensions are locked in. Here, we talk about overhangs and lean-tos. First up, overhangs. An overhang simply extends the roof line past the wall, giving you that extra protection. You can run an overhang along the eave side, the gable end, or both. Now for lean-tos, think of these as attached additions that expand your usable footprint. To add one, start by selecting which side of the building you want to work on, then pick the style that fits your needs. If you go with the standard option, you can dial in the roof pitch using the drop-down and set your front gable, side wall, and rear gable to either enclosed or open. They default to enclosed, so just adjust as needed. If you're going with a wraparound front corner or rear corner, you'll have the choice between a gable pop-out or a standard eave style pick, whichever works best for your design intent. Same logic for the lean-to gable. Just note wrap lean around corners are for standard lean-to style only. If you'd like to remove the lean-to, just switch it back to none and you're all set. One last thing before we move on. Once you've set everything up here, make sure you swing back to building size to update your lean-to dimensions. Next up, exterior cladding. Just like roof, choosing between PBR and PBU to perform your build-in. With that done, it's time to add doors and windows. Start by selecting the wall you want to work on, then choose the opening you'd like to add. We've included a range of preset types and sizes for you to choose from. Once you've made your selection, simply drag it into location you prefer. You can also duplicate an opening if you need more of the same, or simply remove anything that doesn't fit your layout. To save time, we've already prepared a model. Adjust the opening until it works for your specific case. Alright, have some fun with color selection. To give your building more personality, you can customize each component individually: roof, walls, gables, trim, and frame based on the coating that you prefer. As an option, you can add wainscot at either 3 or 4 feet in height, and the color palette will show up under the color section so you can go back and pick your finish. Up next is bay spacing. When you open this section, the view automatically switches to a structural frame mode. This is where you define the spacing of each bay. You can adjust it to suit your layout needs. Getting your bay spacing right is important. It impacts the framing, design, cost, and functional use of the space. And that brings us to the finish line. Once you're happy with your design, click View Summary in the top left to review all your selections. It's a great way to double-check everything before you pull the trigger. When you're ready, go ahead and click Submit Quote in the top right. You'll be asked to fill out your contact information first. Once completed, you can print your design or submit your inquiry. Our team will contact you within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the 3D Designer or our steel buildings, feel free to contact us. If you found this helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. We'll catch you in the next video.